My name is Timo Steitz and I'm the CEO co-founder of ShoeSizeme. Our technology is big data solutions for the footwear industry. All above, we do a size recommendation engine for e-commerce businesses. I can't wait to travel to New York because I think it's a huge city with a lot of opportunities for young companies, and I'm looking forward to meet a lot of people and a lot of entrepreneurs just like me. Fun fact about me, I really like extreme things like bungee jumping or jumping out of planes and skydiving, so everything that really drives up my adrenaline is something for me. My goal for the Venture Leader program is to build a network overseas and do the first step into the US market. I decided to become an entrepreneur because I like to be inspired and inspire others to do great things. We need programs like Venture Leaders because this gives young entrepreneurs the opportunity to really connect in a short time to a startup world and accelerate their business in a fast moving startup world.